So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Casper coin, its price prediction 2025 and its major central exchange listings here because friends, still this meme coin is no listed on any major central exchange, but this meme coin has potential. Definitely we can see its major central exchange listings soon here. You can see Casper's name 0.3 times $0.37 current price is bumped by 52% here. So huge pump here in this meme coin recently. You can see friends, initially price for trading here 0.3 times $0.22 and make huge pump here and reach $3.7 here. So this is awesome performance from this meme coin. But in last 30 days price is dumped by almost 14% here. Dump is good for us that we can make good entry in this meme coin. Only $10.5 million market cap here. Okay friends, only $10.5 million market cap here because this meme coin is launched on Caspar blockchain. Okay, this is not Solana ecosystem meme coin or Bastion or BNB or Ethereum. This is Caspar ecosystem meme coin. So that's why you can see its market cap is still low, but it node will always be low, and definitely in coming few months we can see massive boom for Caspar ecosystem meme coin, for KRC20 meme coin. At that time this meme coin and Nacho the cat coin and Catspeak can skyrocket here and can be listed on major central exchanges. $355,000 trading volume in last 24 hours. Trading volume is still low because as I earlier told you, still this meme coin is no listed on major central exchanges. 28 billion coin supply, all the circulation. This is awesome friends. Casper ecosystem meme coin. That's why this meme coin is very unique here. This is ghost of Casper, so this is good. We almost 80% down the install time high they were 2 months ago, and 151% up the install time low they were recently just 6 days ago. This meme coin has max install time low, and right now going upward in just 6 days. This meme coin is pumped by 151% here, so this is good. This price is recovering here, and only 3 central exchanges has list this coin: Axie.com, CoinX where I'm holding this coin, and Bitmart. These are the only 3 central exchanges where this meme coin listed. Still there's no Gate.io, no KuCoin exchange, no MEXC listing for this meme coin. So lots of central exchange listing left for this meme coin, and I think when we see massive boom in Casper coin price, okay, Casper reach $2, $3, $5 price, then definitely these all Casper ecosystem meme coin will pump here, and this Casper, Caspi, Nacho the cat, Kango coin, these all meme coin will at that time definitely pump. 6,713 holders for this meme coin friends. 6,700 holders already for this meme coin, so this is good. You can check out chart here on Casper scan, so this is good. And these are the central exchanges where this coin is listed. And friends, they are mentioning here Bioeconomy, but Bioeconomy is not updated yet on CoinGecko. But you can see Bioeconomy has also listed this coin, where it has good trading volume also, so this is good. And these are the top 10 wallets. They are holding highest supply of Casper coin. You can see friends, CoinX is the highest supply of Casper coin. That is 12.3% of his coins. This is awesome. Another wallet has 8% of supply, but all other wallet from 2 to 10 wallets has less than 2.2% supply. So this is good. There's no any value share. And in my previous video I also show you his website, so I'm not going to show you his website again here. So now my price prediction about this meme coin is that as this current market cap is just $10.5 million, but friends, I think in next year mega bullion we can see Casper coin, okay, price its market cap up to maybe $1 billion here. This is real 100x potential meme coin or maybe more, because Casper chain is another unique chain for meme coin. There are too many meme coins right now launching on Casper chain, and this is I think the early meme coin. Okay, this or Nacho was the first meme coin launched on Casper ecosystem, launched on Casper chain. These are the first KRC20 meme coins, so that's why these meme coins are unique. And because Casper is goose theme meme coin, this is not a dog or cat theme meme coin, so that's why this meme coin again very unique. And that is the reason that's why next year mega bull we can see Casper market cap up to $1 billion here. But friends, because this is a meme coin and investing in meme coin is highly risky, so I'm not your financial advice. If you wanna buy this meme coin, make sure do your own research and then invest here.